Hello, today we are auscultation of the heart. All students.
I am Sharath Reddy of OMA 224. Today I am going to explain about auscultation of a heart. Which heart has four valves. It has five auscultation paths. I am going to explain about auscultation of heart. The first point is the mitral valve, which is present in the left fifth intercostal space of left intercostal space, which is 1.5 centimeters away from the heart. And the second point is aortic valve, which is present in the second intercostal space. And third point is pulmonary valve, which is present in the left second intercostal space.
Okay. You listening?
Fourth point is the fourth point is the tricuspid valve, which is present in the fourth which is present in the left side fourth intercostal space.
Tricuspid valve located xiphoid process of
the sternum.
Okay.
And fifth point is Hebb's point, which is
Botkina-Erba point. Botkina
Hebb's point, which is present in the left third intercostal space.
Okay.
Inhale. Exhale. Okay, thank you.
Okay.